Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6, Subject Social Science, Part 2, Geography. Children, let me recall in day 2 what we have been seeing. We have seen the pole stars, the planets, which comes under the introductions, and the topics which has been covered in the Earth in the solar systems. There are 7 topics. We have only covered the 2 topics in day 2, the solar system and the sun. The third topic we are going to see is the planet. The children, we can easily memorize by saying the name of the planet in the order from the distance from the sun. Okay, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. Okay, M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, N for Neptune. You children, it is an easy way you can easily study by using this method. The first we are going to see is the first planet is Mercury. Here the Mercury is the very closest to the sun. When you take the solar system family, you can see the sun next to the first planet is Mercury. You can see the distance between the Mercury and the sun. It is very closer. You can see the solar system family and you can identify it. Okay, it takes 88 days to complete to round the sun. How many days it will take, children? It will take 88 days to round the sun. The next topic we are going to see is the Venus. Second topic is Venus. The Earth twin, due to their similarities in size and the shapes. They are saying about the Earth twins. Earth twins due to their similarities in shape and the size. They are telling that what is an Earth twin? Earth twin is nothing but the Venus and Earth are nearest planet, but they are telling that is a neighboring planet. Whatever the Earth and Venus have the same quality, the Earth also has the same qualities. See, the size and the shapes of the Earth also will be the same when compared to the Venus. So they are telling that there are two planets are the Earth twins. Okay, they are neighboring planets, and it is also the second planet. They are telling it is the second planet. And next we are going to move in third planet. The third planet is the Earth. It is the third planet. It is the third planet. It is an unique planet. It is an unique planet. Why they are called as an unique planet? Because we tell that unique planet is in Earth only we can see and we can live the life. For example, human beings, animals, plants, all are living in the earth, so it is known as a unique planet. Here they are telling about the outer surface of the earth. When you see the outer surface, children, when you see the outer surface, it will be in blue color, so they have been called as a blue planet. The outer surface is covered in blue color. It is called as a blue planet. The fourth heading we are going to move is the mass. The fourth heading is we are going to see is mass. It is also a red planet. It is also a red star. Sorry, it is a red star. It appears in the sky. It may be red and orange in color. Children, the fourth one is mass. They are telling about the mass is it is also a red star. When you see in the sky, it appears, colors will be in little bit red and the orange. The assignment is draw the earth and write the benefits of these planets.